Hello, my name is Bayad Jamal Ali. I am the CEO of Bayad Group, Samson, Iraq. And I would like now to talk about the MBA program of the American University of Iraq, Sulaimani. I have completed the MBA program a year ago, and I would like to say that this program has benefited me in several areas, especially academically and professionally. The program has improved my ability in leading my company and the management of day-to-day life. The courses that benefited me for running my company, mainly management, finance, human resources, and IT. In addition, I just finished my dissertation for my PhD in Paris School of Business, which AUIS MBA program helped me to pursue my higher education for my PhD. This program will definitely support you in your professional life and also support you if you would like to pursue your academic life.